What is irregular steel gratings? General introduction to irregular steel gratings. Irregular steel grating is a kind of steel grating with irregular bearing bar spacing. The distance between near bearing bars is less than the distance between distant bearing bars. The distance between two bearing bars is 20 mm, 25 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm, or other specifications. In addition to its characteristics, the irregular steel grating also possesses the characteristics of general steel gratings. Types of irregular steel gratings. Rectangular steel grating. The bearing bars are arranged in the form of a rectangle, and the bearing bar pitch is 30 mm, 40 mm, 60 mm, etc. Triangular steel grating. The bearing bars are arranged in the form of a triangle, and the bearing bar pitch is 30 mm, 40 mm, 60 mm, etc. This type of steel grating is mainly used in places where the floor space is small. Trapezoidal steel grating. The bearing bars are arranged in the form of a trapezoid, and the bearing bar pitch is 30 mm, 40 mm, 60 mm, etc. Such steel gratings are suitable for places where the floor space is small and the load is not too heavy. You can also choose to use trapezoidal gratings in combination with rectangular gratings. The process flow for irregular steel gratings. Step 1. Design consultation. 1-2 days. Before the production process begins, our team of experts will consult with you to determine the best design for your project. We take into account the intended use of the final product, the dimensions and weight of the load, the environment in which it will be used, and any other relevant factors. This ensures that your steel gratings will be up to the task and will last for years to come. Step 2. Preparing raw materials. 1-2 days. Step 3. Welding of steel gratings. 5 days. Step 4. Cutting and trimming. 3 days. Step 5. Banding of steel grating. Optional 3 days. Step 6. Surface treatment. 3 days. Step 7. Quality inspection. 1-2 days. Step 8. Packaging. 1 days. The advantages of our irregular steel grating. The bearing capacity is the same as that of general steel grating. The weight is lighter than that of general steel grating, which can save materials and reduce costs. The surface is smooth and flat, which is easy to clean and has a good appearance. The installation is very convenient, and the installation time is short.
Transform your project with high-quality steel grating from us. Contact us today to get started.